The video explores the Supreme Court's recent decision to permit the enforcement of the Alien Enemies Act for deportations. We will delve into both the historical context and its potential future implications. In this video, we will start with the historical background of the Alien Enemies Act. Then, we'll discuss the Supreme Court ruling's immediate impact. We'll delve into the legal and ethical concerns arising from this decision, followed by a look at historical precedents and controversies. Finally, we'll explore the future implications and potential challenges. The Alien Enemies Act, originally enacted in 1798, allows the U.S. government to deport non-citizens perceived as threats to national security. It is a rarely used legal tool but gained temporary enforcement clearance by the Supreme Court amid recent debates. The Supreme Court has temporarily enabled the use of the Alien Enemies Act for rapid deportations. This decision could potentially impact a large number of individuals. Several legal experts and advocates have expressed their concerns about the possible lack of sufficient due process. Critics of the Supreme Court's decision argue that those targeted for deportation might face significant challenges. These include understanding the deportation process, accessing competent legal counsel, and complicated procedures to challenge AEA determinations effectively. Here we see a flowchart depicting the process of deportation under the Alien Enemies Act. It starts with identifying individuals, their evaluation, followed by potential legal challenges, and finally deportation. Historically, the Alien Enemies Act has been used during wartime to deport foreign nationals deemed as security threats. Its use has been controversial, often criticized for being a misuse of power without enough legal scrutiny. By comparing with other historical immigration policies, one can see the tensions between national security and civil liberties. Looking towards the future, several implications emerge from this ruling. Possible legal challenges could arise, questioning the constitutionality and ethical aspects of the Alien Enemies Act usage. The decision could significantly impact broader U.S. immigration policy, continuously balancing between national security concerns and upholding individual rights. Let's take a quick quiz. Which of the following concerns is not mentioned regarding the Alien Enemies Act? The options are A. Challenges in accessing legal counsel. B. Rapid deportation of criminals. C. Complexity in challenging AEA determinations. D. Insufficient due process. You may pause the video now to think about the answer. We will discuss the answer in the next section of the video. The correct answer is rapid deportation of criminals. The Alien Enemies Act concerns the deportation of individuals deemed threats to national security, not those necessarily labeled as criminals. In summary, the Supreme Court's decision to enable the Alien Enemies Act for deportations has sparked significant debate. Concerns about due process and the potential for additional legal challenges are prominent. The future implications of this ruling could profoundly affect U.S. immigration policy. Thank you for staying with us through this important topic. Please share your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content.